Underbarrel.
Underbarrel. I'm dumb. Ranger foregrip.
On ergonomic rear grip.
Ergonomic. Yum,
Balanced
yum, yum.
stock.
Mine.
Recoil springs.
Yeah. I hope that this fucking iron sight is
Alright, I'm
decent
hopping in the
enough that I
Discord real
can use
quick.
it. I bet.
Think so. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly. Enemy soldier incoming.
Are you using that jackal for sniper support? Or are you just using it? You don't run fucking what you call it? Overkill, do you? Oh, so you're using that with a sniper then? Oh, okay. Well then you need a different build. Hold on, let's back us out with.
All stations, we are green to go.
You need a different build. Alright. So take off the gain twist, put the long barrel on, take off that stock, put the suppressor on, change that vertical foregrip, or change that Ranger foregrip to vertical foregrip, and then take off the ergonomic, put extended mag 2 on. Give that a try. Yeah, try that one. That'd probably be better. Because the other one was more for rebirth. Yeah. Well, the one I gave you just now should be a lot better.